emptiness and try to forget us in vain. The light of the dark setting sun will bring my sadness to an end. Voices cry out through the fear and the doubt as we wait for our lives to be better. The words are dying in the night. No winter lasts forever. The seasons pass and sunlight will shine on my life again. So let the past now burn down in flames. Locked in a prison, in a world of living fear, on the edge of my destruction, marching on.